Friends, families and future clients, I'm broker Nick Demanlig. Nandito po tayo sa Centrina in Alaminos, Laguna, and I'm very excited to show you Lavin House and Lot model. Okay, it sits on a minimum lot size of 145 square meters and a usable floor area of 181 square meters. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. It has a carport, a balcony, a complete interior finish, and an attic. Okay, so going here sa exterior, and this is your carport. Ayan, so around 2 cars is kasya dito sa ating carport. Okay. So exterior finish, fully painted na po. Okay. Yeah, modern Asian house design po ang pina-follow ni Centrina. Yan, very elegant, very stylish. Okay, let's go here. Welcome. So this is the complete interior finish ni Lavin model. Okay, so naka-tiles. So complete deliverables with tiles, with wall paint, with ceiling. So complete na po. Wala na po tayong intindihin. Lilipat na lang. Okay, let me show you first our kitchen area. Ayan, so this has a granite deliverables and with the splashboard. Kasama na rin po yung mga cabinets. Okay, napakaganda. Complete kitchen accessories. Then this is our first bedroom. Yan. So normally this is a maid's room or anything that you prefer na gawin dito sa room na to. It's okay. Yan. Then we have the sliding door papunta sa ating proposed lanay. Okay. So dining area. Then the good thing is meron siyang second room dito sa ating first floor. This is your second room. Okay. Then I'll show you the first bathroom with complete bathroom accessories. Yan, naka-tiles na rin po, full tiles, complete bathroom accessories. Going here sa ating second floor, steel railings, concrete stairs with wooden planks. So here is our second bathroom. Ayan, a common bathroom. Hello, dito sa ating third bedroom. And welcome dito sa ating fourth bedroom. So very sufficient na po ito sa isang big family, an extended family. So the fifth room is our master's bedroom. Ayan. With a walk-in closet. And has its very own third bathroom, that is the toilet and bath. So hindi pa po tapos. Let's go. So here is our balcony. Hello? Okay? So, last but not the least, our attic. Steel railings, concrete stairs with wooden planks, vinyl and finish. And here is our attic, which can be converted as an entertainment room, a game room. So, anything that you prefer. Yan. Napakaganda. So, it is a dream home indeed. Okay? So, if you'd like to know more, napakaganda nitong property na to. So, come, PM me, call me, so that I can discuss with you personally. So, if you'd like to know more details, feel free to call me. Thank you. This is Broker Nick. Salamat.